Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your menu items. You'll notice that in your real estate website, you already have menu items that have been prepared at the very top of your website. You also have a drop-down menu called Visitor Tools where you can access secondary items and other content pages within your website. Now, I'm going to show you how to add, delete, and edit menu items on your website. So, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of our website, and then we're going to click on User Login. And then now it's just a matter of adding your name or email and password. Now from your dashboard, you're going to click on Content and then Menu Manager. You'll notice that this section is divided into two. You have your Site menu, and then you have your Resources menu. And from your website, you have your Site menu and you have your Resource menu. Now, rule of thumb, the items on your Site menu should be the resources that you think can immediately address the questions that your visitors have. And then your Visitor Tools should be secondary resources that can help them in their research process. For example, you have selling tips, buying tips, you also have your free home evaluation, and much more. So let's go back to the dashboard. To the right of each menu item, you'll notice that there are three prompts. You have your Edit, Disable, and Delete. Delete is if you want to remove the menu item completely from your list. Disable is if you want to hide it in the meantime and would like to re-enable it in the future. Edit is if you want to change the content, for example, the title or description or destination link of this menu item. So if I want to add a brand new item, all I have to do is click on this green Add Item button. I can type in the title and description of this new menu item. And then under Destination Link Options, it's just a matter of either entering the URL that you would like to take users to when they click on this link, or you can choose a page that is already built within your website. So because the pre-construction condo directory list is already in my website, I'm just going to click on Predefined Pages, and under Path and Page Name, I'm going to choose Pre-construction condo list. And before we click on Submit, to the right, you'll see the order or the preview of this menu item. So it shows that it's located at the very bottom. I have the option of dragging it to the very top so that I can make it more prominent to my viewers. And once you're satisfied with the placement, you can now press Submit. You also have the option of opening this in a new tab if you don't want visitors to lose the page that they're currently on after clicking on the link. Now you should see a notification that says the menu item Pre-construction condos has been added. And if we scroll down towards the Resources menu section, you should be able to see the brand new menu item that we just added. If you want to take a look at what this looks like in your website, you can always just click at the top where your domain is located, which will take you to the front end of the website. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a submenu item. And the submenu item is going to direct users to a bunch of listings in a city that I choose. So before we start, I'm going to quickly do a search, because what I want to do is to direct my visitors into this exact page with all the listings in this particular city. So I'm going to take the URL from my website address bar, and then I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And then under my site menu items, I'm going to add a brand new item. And then this is going to be called Toronto Real Estate Properties. I'm going to do the same thing for the description. And then under path or page name, I'm going to paste the URL that I initially copied. And then to the right, you'll see the current placement of this menu item. Now, to turn it into a submenu item, we're going to drag it just underneath the main menu item that we want it to be a submenu item for. So in this case, Find Property is the parent menu item for Toronto Real Estate Properties. And we're going to drag it to the right to make it a submenu item of Find Property. Once that's done, you're going to click on Submit. And then you'll see a notification that says the menu item has been updated. And then we're going to go back to the front end of our website, and then under Find Property, we should be able to see Toronto Real Estate Properties. Now, if you have other items in your menu that you would like to turn into a submenu item, it's just a matter of dragging it to the right so that it becomes the submenu item of the parent menu item just above it. So in this case, the blog is going to be a submenu item of your About Me page. Once you're done all of the changes, be sure to click on Save Menu Changes right after.